Hello folks, everybody in Chennai, specifically we have a workshop at Anna Nagar this Sunday, that is April 27, Sunday from 10 to 1. We have a workshop at our Anna Nagar Center, so it's everything you want to know about CAD, you'll be able to find this. Please look at the description and register for this. Look at sign up for this, know the location, address, know the details, all of that. We'll cover what is CAD, how to prepare for CAD, what are the course details, how we'll help you throughout the course, what is the mentorship support, what we'll do for personal interviews, the whole shebang. Fine. Anything about MBA, CAD to IM, you can get it clarified. Fine. Which is one session, which is info session like this. We will also be teaching. We will have a session of like a classroom where we discuss different questions similar to what you're likely to find in CAD. Do not miss out on this opportunity. This is free once you register. So please click sign up, register. I'm looking forward to seeing you, a bunch of you there. Sometimes when you're starting on a journey, it is super useful to get a very quick download. Spending that time investing and knowing this whole world. Saying, hey, what are the different exams? How do I need to prepare? How do I test myself? Where do I stand? All of that in one shot. You spend a couple of hours, you'll know everything. Right? If you're in your early 20s, I cannot think of a better way of using a Sunday than this. So please jump in and have a crack at this. Best wishes for CAD.